Hello and welcome to Flipkart. I'm Radhika Dang, your product expert, and today I'm going to tell you something about fully automatic top-loading washing machines, what you should know while picking up one, and more. Now, one-tub washing ensures a great wash quality for your fabrics in one single wash. This fully automatic washing machine contains a single motor which is capable of doing both spinning as well as washing, basically doing all the work by itself with no manual intervention. And that means now you have more time to yourself to spend as you like. Once you open the lid, you can see the large stainless steel drum, which is better than plastic or porcelain drums. These are more durable and can withstand high spin speeds, ensuring a better cleaning to your laundry. These drums are also stain resistant and do not cause any damage to clothes in the long run, which for you means easy maintenance and long-lasting newness for your clothes. Different models from different brands will have different spin speeds or RPM. Higher the spin speed, more water is squeezed out from your clothes and lesser is the drying time, making drying of clothes quicker for you. All that motion releases moisture from the fabrics, which means faster speeds are useful to those with limited space in which to dry their clothes. The washing machine comes equipped with many wash programs, which helps you to choose the exact type of wash you would want for your fabric. This helps in giving better detergent action and soft, bright fabrics for the specific wash program selected. The wash programs basically match the fabric, wash cycle, and the purpose of usage. For example, the wash program can be set to remove stains from a cotton-like durable fabric, which creases easily at the click of a button. Similarly, a delicate fabric program can be chosen to ensure that the machine activates a hand wash-like delicate cycle. These machines are better ergonomically, so you don't have to bend down to unload and load the machine since a single tub does it all for you. This is a beautiful washing machine. It has a neat finish that gives it a plush look. The dimensions of the washing machine are compact and it's neatly designed, thus making the most of the space available inside your home. Now, larger displays are clearer and easy to read. They also convey more info such as time left till completion of cycle and the washing stage. Deciding on water level, on how full you want the machine, low or high, is always tricky to decide. You definitely do not want to waste water, but you also want a thorough wash for your load. Now, using too much water can upset the detergent to water ratio, resulting in poor wash for you. At the same time, too little water can cause poor rinsing, linting, wrinkling, and excessive wear of the fabric. For your fully automatic washing machines, you can make this decision based on the load size. For example, if the tub has less than 1/3 full of clothes, choose the small setting for water levels. If the clothes are between 1/3 and half, medium should be the correct setting. Large is for the time when the load fills in the tub anywhere between half and 2/3, and extra large and super for when the load takes more than 2/3 of the tub. Not only does this washing machine enhance your lifestyle with its super handy features, it also understands how important it is to ensure your peace of mind. To make sure you're completely stress-free, if you decide to own one of these, you get 2 years brand warranty on the unit and a 10-year warranty on the motor drum. So that's all you must know about the fully automatic washing machine before making the right choice for yourself and your family. Make most of your choice you've made by buying it without any second thoughts on Flipkart. Because here, you get options of no-cost EMIs, quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo, and a short brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family now. That's all from me. Have a perfect buy.